Hi students, welcome to my YouTube video. I, Mr. Ajit Ghatige, lecturer of Mechanical Department, CB Kore Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Today, we are going to discuss about gas turbine and jet propulsion. So what is meant by gas turbine? It is a device which produces the power by using some external source, means it may be steam or gas. By using gas or steam, we are going to produce the power in that device is called what? Gas turbine. And whatever power is produced in gas turbine, the major part of power is used to run the compressor, and the remaining power is used to do the external work, or can say mechanical work. This is the what simply definition of gas turbine. And the gas turbines are classified into basically two categories. First one, according to the path of working substance, means how the working substance will be follow the cycle. In that, first is closed cycle gas turbine, second is open cycle gas turbine, and third is semi-closed gas turbine. These are the three types of gas turbine according to the path of working substance. And in second is according to the process of heat absorption, means when the gas is absorbed the heat. In that, first is constant volume gas turbine, and second is constant pressure gas turbine, means we are supplying the heat at constant volume, and second we are supplying the heat at constant pressure. These are the two types of turbine according to the process of heat absorption. So now we will move to the first one, closed cycle gas turbine, this one. So in this gas turbine, first is parts of the turbine. First is compressor, second is heating chamber, third is turbine, fourth is cooling chamber, fifth is generator, and lastly shaft, or you can say there is a coupling in that. These are the parts of closed cycle gas turbine. Now we will move to the working principle of this gas turbine. So first, the atmospheric air is compressed in this compressor isentropically up to required pressure, and temperature increase from T1 to T2. After that, the gas is sent to the heating chamber. In this, by keeping pressure constant, the gas is heated from T2 to T3, means from T2 to T3. By using external source, the compressed gas is heated from T2 to T3 by keeping the pressure constant. After that, the heated gas is sent to the turbine in this, where the gas is expanded on turbine blades, which imparts the kinetic energy on turbine blades, which causes the turbine rotate. And the power is generated by using the attachment, means you can say generator. After expansion of gas on turbine blade, the gas is sent to the cooling chamber, where the heat is removed by using the water. Means here there is a cool water in, hot water out. Means there is a heat transfer takes place from gas to water. In this, there is a cold water inlet, this is, and here there is a hot water outlet. Means when the gas is passing through the cooling chamber, the heat will transfer from hot gas to cool water. Means now the gas is cooled as a required temperature. After that, the gas is sent to again compressor, and cycle is repeated. This is the what working principle of closed cycle gas turbine. Now, what is heating chamber? So it is a chamber in which gas is heated by using external source. Means, see, if there is a combustion heating chamber, and when the heat gas is flowing through this chamber, through the pipe, the hot air will be passed in this chamber, and there is no direct contact of combustion products, means hot air and this compressed air. That is called what? Heating chamber. Means there is no direct contact of this compressed gas and heating media. That is called what? Heating chamber. And it is generator which converts the what? Mechanical work into electrical power. So how much power is developed by using this turbine? The major part of power is used to run this compressor, and the remaining power is used to do external work, or can say mechanical work. Means, say for example, by using this cycle, if we are producing 100 kilowatt of power, in that, for example, 75 kilowatt is used to run this only compressor, and 25 kilowatt is used to run the or to do the external work or mechanical work. This is the what working principle of closed cycle gas turbine. Thank you for watching this video, and in next video we will discuss about open cycle gas turbine. Thank you.